This is the Triple Falls, and it's just amazing here. It's like a little piece of nature that man has not touched yet. Hopefully it won't. Surrounded by beautiful pine and other type of trees, and
yes, I'm gone to Carolina in the mind. Karen sees the silver sun, best walk her way, watch it shine. Watch her watch the morning come. The silver tear appearing now, I'm crying, ain't I? Gone to
there'll be a lot more of the
Carolina.
waterfall coming up, so stay tuned.
There ain't no doubt, no one
Here it is,
finds
majestic in all its nature.
whisper something so kind.
A wonderful waterfall. This is called the Triple Waterfall. I guess it's because it goes down 3 times.
Gone to Carolina in my mind. In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind? Yes, I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. Dark and silent late last night, I think I might have heard the highway calling. Geese in flight and dogs that bite. Signs it might be over, say I'm